Hey guys, this is Akash and I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can flash an official ROM to any Redmi and Mi devices. So let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe for such helpful contents. The first thing you will need is the Mi flash tool, the official ROM, and the device driver. And the most important thing is to back up your data. Now let's run the flash tool. You have to first extract the ROM from the RAR folder, and now select the extracted folder. For this video I am using Mi Max. Now switch off your device, and after the phone turns off, click the volume up and down key, and without leaving the keys, connect it to the PC with the help of data cable. After that, click on refresh. So on the flash tool you can see it will show COM and any number. Now click on flash, and this flash process may take around 15 minutes. So be patient. So here you can see the flash has completely successful. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and if you need any help, do comment. Thank you and bye for now.